Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, and I'm coming to you quickly here, as of course, from Jacksonville, Florida. Wanted to share this quick video, as I entitled this video today is how to use Uber to fund your business. Now, before I do get into going over the content for the day, I do want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. Also, to the very right there, click that little bell there so that you'll be notified of any new videos that I do put out. As a reminder, this channel is about entrepreneurship, whether you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales, or just a home business entrepreneur. This channel is basically designed to provide you inspiration, provide you with tips, tools, resources to help you build your business, and basically show you anything. Basically, if you want to make money online, if you want to earn income from home, show you how you can do that, and this will just provide you with just different tools and resources that are useful into helping you build your business. So again, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer from Jacksonville, Florida, and how to use Uber to fund your business. Now, you may say, look, I have a business, so why would I want to consider Uber? Here's the thing. If you are, say, maybe you're new in business and maybe you haven't built up the income that you wanted to yet, um, I would always recommend this to an entrepreneur to be the easiest way to get some cash flow going for your business. So whether you're in network marketing and you have auto ship, okay, monthly auto ship, I think Uber is a great way to be able to take care of that monthly auto ship so that you can run your business. Or if you work a full-time job and you want to have extra cash to put towards your business, but you haven't earned any money yet, I think Uber is a great way to do that because Uber basically works around your schedule. So as you can see how it says here, you can drive when you want, find opportunities around you. If you go up a little bit here, it shows you basically there's things that you can do beyond what they call ride sharing. So it's more than just picking up people. You can do Uber Eats, where they deliver foods from some of your most popular restaurants like McDonald's, IHOP, almost any restaurant that you can think of. They do Uber Eats, Uber for Business, or Jump Bikes. Also, a big thing about Uber is that I think it's probably one of the safest things. Most people get a little bit uneasy about it because I mean you're picking up folks, but Uber does whatever they can to make it super safe for you. Also, you as a driver, you have to use some wisdom when you're actually doing it. Here's the thing. In about maybe say three hours, you can make about $50 driving for Uber. It's possible. In about 3 hours, you can possibly make $100 in about 3 hours. Just think what that would do for your business, for you be able to maybe do some paid stuff to grow your business, whether it be in some kind of advertising, whether it be on Facebook and buying ads, whether it be in buying maybe traffic to your website through solo ads or media traffic. Just different things that you can do to grow your business, whether it be on YouTube, putting some money into doing YouTube ads. So Uber, I think, is probably one of the best ways for you to earn that cash flow to the point where you may no longer need to do Uber because you've grown your business through the initial cash, putting in this extra income to grow your business. So that's it, guys. I just want to kind of show you how to use Uber. The great thing also is that Uber makes it super simple to navigate their system and pick up folks that may need rides. Here's the thing is too as well with Uber, you get daily cash, daily cash. So if you go out there and you earn $50, you're able to put that daily cash on an Uber card so that you can use those funds to pay to grow whatever business that you're building, whether it be a network marketing, online marketing, or affiliate marketing. It's just a great. You earn $100. Guess what? You can transfer over $100 that very same day that you earned onto the Uber card. That you can take that in turn and put it towards some kind of marketing or products to build your business that you really want to build. Uber doesn't have to be a permanent thing, and it doesn't have to take away from what you're doing in your own business because, again, it works around your own time. So if you find that you have a pocket of time, maybe 3 hours a day, maybe during the week, or maybe even an hour a day, and maybe on the weekend, you may have a whole day, maybe 8 hours available for that weekend. You can take something like Uber and use that to earn income to build your business. Guys, hopefully that you enjoyed that. Also, if you're interested in even trying out Uber, I will leave a link at the bottom so that you can find more about Uber and how you can sign up for it, how you can test it out, see if it may be right for you to do. Because again, this basically is going to fit into you as an entrepreneur because, again, you do it whenever you want, and it's money that you can put in your business. That's it for today, guys. Again, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will see you on the next video. God bless you.